I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting basics ready. Enable mobile data and plug a data-capable USB cable into your phone and computer. Once connected, unlock the phone and accept any trust or permission prompts. This lets the computer see the device. Make sure phone tethering permissions are allowed because the OS blocks anonymous connections. If prompted, pick a USB mode that allows networking rather than charge only. These immediate steps open the communication channel so the computer can request an internet interface from your phone. Once the cable and permissions are set, turn on the phone's USB tethering feature in settings under hotspot and tethering or similar. Your computer should detect a new Ethernet-style adapter and may install drivers. Allow that to finish. If the adapter appears but has no IP, toggle tethering off then on to force DHCP. Make sure the computer's network priority is correct so traffic flows via the USB adapter. These steps create a routed interface between phone and computer, allowing packet forwarding to the mobile network. You finish by confirming internet access. Open a browser or ping a public IP to verify packets pass. If pages load slowly, check DNS settings or mobile data strength on the phone. Make sure to disable the computer's Wi-Fi if it prefers another network. Forcing the USB adapter avoids split routing. If things go wrong, the most common fix is to swap to a known data-capable cable and toggle the phone's USB mode between file transfer and tethering. This resets the link and triggers driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.